So we're out here at the Summit Point Library, getting ready to do a little stealth suburban camping. Been watching these videos, wilderness survival camping. Then I got on to the urban stealth camping, and then it hit me. There's a niche that needs to be filled. Lots of people live in the suburbs, neighborhoods. I live in a neighborhood. So I'm about to do a little bit of stealth suburban camping. I've got my rig. I figured there was no sense walking around the neighborhood with a backpack. It's just after 10 at night. And the way I see it, no one's going to think any more of me walking by with a wagon than they are with a backpack. Oh, we got deer out here tonight. Alright, I'm not alone. Deer love the suburbs. So we're just going to walk along here like I could be taking the trash out to the trash can very easily. We're past the hour where the kids are out, and we're past the hour where the adults are out too, here in Summit Point. I got my eye and my mind set on a giant forsythia bush in the backyard up around the corner here. I think this is going to work very nicely. Not too many lights on in the house here. We're going to go into their backyard. Got to be a little bit quiet. Not too many lights on. This is good. Now, I don't see no one around. This is where we go. Go time. Gotta be quiet. Gotta be quiet. Okay, look at this bush. Look at this bush. Here we go. Here we go. Come on now. Here I come. Into the bush. Oh yeah, perfect. Okay. Okay. Hold on. We're in. I think we're in. Yes. We've got to have a little bit of light. Now, we can't leave this on for too long. Can't leave this on for too long. But we got to get this cart over here. Gotta get this cart in. There we go. Over here like this. Yes. Oh, yeah. Now we're talking. Alright. Let's see. Now. You see what I've done? My cover is an air mattress. Yes. So break out the air mattress. Keep this light down. And we're going to pump this puppy up. Yes, we are. Yes. First things first. We get up off the ground. It's kind of wet out here tonight. I gotta be quiet. Gotta be quiet. Alright. Here we go. Oh. Hey. I don't know about this. Okay. I'm gonna think about this one. Okay. What we've done here is we resorted to blowing it up by mouth. And I did realize halfway through, it doesn't have to be blown up all the way. This will be fine. We're going to be off the ground. Yes. Right? Now, we get a little bit of dinner, I'm hoping here. Got a car battery back here, right? The car battery is hooked up to a power inverter, so we can have a little food tonight. Hot food. Okay, I'll get a little better camera angle on there. Now, some healthy choice. Hopefully this is not too loud. Don't need the light, do I? Yeah. Okay. We're getting here. Yes. Oh yeah, you're right. Okay. Get down. And we got a little broccoli and chicken. Oh yeah, broccoli and chicken. Well, supposed to be good for you too. Right. And it's too hot. Oh yeah. Hot and good. Hot and good. Gotta be quiet. Quick. I hear something. Maybe not. Let's see. There's a light on in the back of the house, but I think it just stays on all night over there at that place. Alright. Very good. Gotta get this warming up a little bit. Yes. It's Starbucks. No excuse. My mug. Have a little more dinner while this puppy warms up. Turn off the light here, just be cool for a minute. You can see I got a wall of leaves around me here, and other than being able to see the lights from those upstairs windows, we've got some pretty good privacy going on right here. This bush couldn't be better. It's like 20 feet around. It's a forsythia bush, I believe. Yeah. Cover up. Oh, yeah. Ooh, car. Oh, yeah. Well, I hear fireworks out there somewhere. It's a Sunday night. 2 weeks, a week after the 4th of July. People are just crazy. Power down. Unfortunately, it's a really warm summertime, so I'm going to be able to do without a blanket tonight, but I'm going to keep the gym riffraff off my bottom end, my lower half with this, but let's see how comfortable we can get. Oh yeah, and stretch out a bit. Put it the other way, yes, there we go. Daddy long legs is right. There we go. Alright everyone. We'll put this down for a while. I'll see you in the morning. Oh man. Oh shit just got real. Shit just got real. Okay, we're out. I'm beginning to think maybe this wasn't such a good idea after all. We're going to work on this, folks. Turn this thing off. We're going to work on this. Thank you. Thank you all. Thank you.